this week. They get something to cut this. I think I have something here, I think.
This is the chocolates.
That's all chocolates, most of it, yeah.
Oh my god, lots of chocolates.
Yes, so, oh, here, the jewelry from Art.
Oh, Sir Art.
Yeah.
Wow. Mini jewelry.
I know I got somewhere.
Oh my god, a lot of jewelry. Oh my god.
Oh, this is for you.
Oh wow. Thank you. Ah! Oh my god, walang surprise. No surprise.
What? Remember I told you, I got you to watch it, showed it to you. The necklace is in there. I think there's another one. Oh yeah, wait.
Thank you.
Yes. Open this one, Carol.
Ah, wow.
Where is these cutters?
Oh, what? Why a lot? Oh my god, another necklace. Mini
Maybe it's in
necklace.
here. Please be in there.
Beautiful. Four necklace. Oh wow.
I'll have to fix this stuff later. God, it's a mess.
So many.
I'll put them over here. I think all of these cutters.
Lots of. The Michael.
I'm going to have to get a knife from somebody because I can't open that unless I got a cutter.
What are you,
Yeah, you have to cut them things or I can't open it.
Need to cut. Ah, okay.
I did this to let me know if anybody was broke into it. And this way.
How about password? Wow, chocolates! Oh my god, chocolate.
And there's one box of something else in there right for you. There's different things I got for you. But...
Alright, go. Ba't ang bigat? What is this?
70, what is 76?
What is 76?
Alright, stand up, I'll tell you.
Oh my god, another white chocolate. Ay! Why you open this?
Because I want it here, you know, I don't want this stuff to get wet and hot.
You want to something here? You want?
Girl,
Yes.
stand up.
What happened?
Yeah. I told you I love you so much.
I think it's.
And I want to spend the rest of my life with you. You want to know what 76 is?
Oh, what is 76? Ah! You know it. Oh
76.
my god! The 76. That's it?
Wait. I had to pack it so it didn't get wrecked.
Oh my god, the 76. Oh.
Now we have to take this jewelry and get it sized, but
Yeah.
it has 76 diamonds in it.
Oh my god, diamond! How much?
Don't worry how much. Give me this.
Where I put?
Will you marry me?
Of course!
Yes?
Yes!
This finger.
Fit for me.
Well, it's got this big one here. Now
I.
that one, you
Yes.
can't keep it on there, so it's a wedding band. This small one.
This is a 76 means?
That's 76.
Oh my god, thank you!
Kiss.
Oh my god.
Now you can call some friends and 76
Yes,
and you can
76.
show them. I didn't know when I was going to do it.
How much this?
More than a motorcycle.
Thank
Yep.
Congrats!
you so much.
Yes. I couldn't wait. I was going to wait till after dinner, but I said, no, I'm going to do it right now.
Right.
Give me a kiss.
Thank
You happy?
I'm so happy.
See? And I think of you. On the main ring, there's 18 down here, 18 here, that's 36.
Okay. Oh my god,
And
that's
the wedding,
right.
the wedding part has 29 diamonds.
That's the meaning of the 76 diamonds. Oh my.
Well, it's a quantity. There's 76
that's
diamonds,
right.
and 1.5
One
is
and a half.
that one. It's 1.5 carats.
Ah, okay. Oh my God, how much? I don't know about that.
Don't worry about it. But we have to go to a jeweler to get them to make it small. Right now, this piece on there is making it so it fits you.
Okay.
And you can never wear that when you're doing laundry
Yes.
or getting a shower.
Yeah.
You have to take it off and
So
put it.
I'm engaged now.
Yes, officially.
Officially, my God, thank you. My God, can we take a picture?